Stay comfortable during every summer with the Daikin DX4SE Air Conditioner from TopCare HVAC of Oakville. Designed for consistent performance and long-lasting durability, the DX4SE features a premium powder-coated finish with excellent UV protection to help maintain its appearance and reliability over time. Offering up to 15.2 SEER2 efficiency, a Copeland scroll compressor, and capacities from 1.5 to 5 tons, this ducted system delivers dependable cooling for your home.